It almost seems effortless how you play with blood. Human mind walked the fields where the pride did not stride. I ran through the gates of ammunition land, trying to find a log under heavy fire. So I warn you, my friend, don't play with guns.
Let's go, come on.
You make a fatal mistake with your moped solutions.
Welcome to our new adventure on our journey through northern Spain. Nice to have you with us again. We wish you lots of fun.
The survival of the earth would be untouched by my death.
We are now here near Poitiers, at a camper stop. It's already midnight now. It's actually a motorhome dealership. There are 4 parking spaces available here where you can spend the night.
The beginning of the end will be starting any minute now. So I warn you, my friend, with the moped solutions. Fearful minutes yet to come.
That was already Spain.
Yeah, exactly.
The sign was already there.
I saw it and thought this was an actual border.
In the continent of make-believe, where facts play a game.
Look,
Unborn children wish for birth, but the time is running out.
Kirsten is eating rabbit, right? Oh no, those are bulls. What are you doing there?
We're feeding the cows. They don't have much green around.
Are you sure?
There's barely any food for them here.
No.
Chasing money and time.
Look, flowers.
It might end in a cutthroat, setting fire in this lifeboat. Soon gonna drink this salty water.
We've parked here now. We wanted to drive up at first, but there was a sign saying 14%. And I don't think that would go well. With the quad behind us.
As the drone rises, a historic bull ring comes into view. Once, this was a stage for traditional festivals. Today, it brings the region together as a cultural hub. Just beside the campsite, we came across an intriguing monastery. Sadly, we found no information about its history.
But every time I close my eyes, I feel a peace in me rise. I never knew love could be so healing. I never thought I could learn to feel. But when we're standing side by side, well, there's no darkness left to hide. And I know that I'm falling so fast for you, right into your arms.
Good morning.
Let's keep going.
It's fine by me. I'll wait for you. Let's keep going quickly.
All right, let's get started.
As on every trip, things turn out differently. We're not driving up with the quad. The mountain up there is completely covered in fog. Now we're going to do some shopping first. Fill up with water. Clean the toilet. Doing the household chores is just part of it too.
Hey, look. Is that an old church?
All right, then we'll let Dawn out here in a moment, or we'll have a quick look around first.
Yes.
All right then, let's go take a look.
Yes. Let's see what's inside. It looks like no one's been here for a while.
Yeah,
Look, there's nothing here. Glass above us. Nothing left inside.
built in 1913. There's still an old cross standing there.
Wow, look at that. And something like this is simply here, untouched. Do you think it's safe to climb up there?
I'm going up there now. Take a look at this. Well, I'll skip the steps. You can see it. It doesn't even look that stable. Take a look at that. The bell is gone now. Only silence remains. And here I am again.
Look, even the baptismal font is still here.
That was cool.
Look, I think there's a car in the ditch back there.
Pretty great weather, right?
Yeah, that's right.
No heavy jacket, no cold, just a sweater. Remember, it's only for 2 days.
Yeah.
A mixed salad.
Oh, nice, they have it. That's the one we always get.
All right, salad secured.
Got it.
That was the whole thing. I can't wait for it. Yeah, exactly. Later tonight. Pudding. Oh, found something again?
Yeah? I'm not sure anymore.
Then we should take a photo. I need something to drink. This one or that one?
Those are small. Take a bigger one again.
What are you looking for now? Did he deserve that?
Yep.
Come here.
Come on. We should bring something for him too.
Only 44 euros.
Oh. By the way, do you have any special items that you always buy in the countries you travel to? We definitely do. On the way, we stop at this beautiful place. In Amugo, the Monumento al Pastor stands as a tribute to the shepherd's life. It was built after the events of the 7th. In August 1959, the shepherd Esteban Fraschilla, in Amusco, he was struck by lightning during a storm and lost his life. The monument is made up of several elements. A shepherd rises 7 meters high, his faithful mastiff by his side, a rustic chapel carved into the rock. Inside, it's adorned with a scene of the announcement to the shepherds of Bethlehem, soft and reflective. Three straw-roof shepherd huts complete the setting. deepening the sense of rural life. The monument was officially inaugurated on the 1st. The monument was officially unveiled in October 1961. Today, it serves not only as a tribute to shepherds, but also as a cultural meeting point and a place visitors are drawn to. Just nearby, you'll find the campsite next to the monument. Just nearby, you'll find the campsite next to the monument, giving travelers a quiet place to stay in this beautiful area.
I never thought it could be so true. But every time I close my eyes, I feel a peace in me rise. I never knew love could be so healing. I never thought I could learn to feel. But when we're standing side by side, well, there's no darkness left to hide.
One last stop for today, a beautiful rock formation. As the drone was in the air, vultures appeared, gliding quietly above us. That's when we stopped filming. Right away. Luckily, Kirsten had her telephoto lens. We still got the shot, only a few moments with the vultures. This is where our day comes to an end, at a quiet campsite in Orduña del Castillo. This journey isn't over yet. In the next video, we explore a beautiful little village together. We follow the water to a waterfall and a secret cave. And one unforgettable moment is still to come. We arrive there later that day. Don't miss what comes next. If you'd like to support us, give the video a like and subscribe. See you next time.